severe financial loss, data breaches, even damage to your reputation. In today's digital world, no one is safe. Okay, so what if you do get hacked? What is cybercrime? Let's talk about cybercrime. It's not just about hacking computers. It's much bigger than that. Cybercrime involves everything from phishing scams to identity theft and financial fraud. It's any illegal activity that involves a computer, network, or the internet. And the impact? It can be severe. Severe financial loss, data breaches, even damage to your reputation. In today's digital world, no one is safe unless they are prepared. Common types of cybercrime. Now, there are different ways cybercriminals can target you. Phishing, for example, is into giving them personal information. Then there's ransomware, where they lock you out of your own data unless you pay a ransom. Identity theft is another big one, stealing your personal information to commit fraud. And of course, hacking, unauthorized access to your computer or network. These attacks are everywhere. How to protect yourself from cybercrime? So how do we protect ourselves? Well, for starters, use strong passwords. Make sure they are a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And don't reuse them. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Keep your software up to date to avoid vulnerabilities and never click on suspicious links or attachments. Remember, prevention is your best defense. Safeguarding personal data. Personal data is a goldmine for cybercriminals. To keep yours safe, encrypt your sensitive information. Make sure your Wi-Fi is secure, especially if you are accessing personal accounts. And don't forget to regularly back up your important files to the cloud or an external drive. Taking these steps can make a world of difference in protecting your privacy. The role of cyber insurance. Even with the best precautions, cyber attacks can still happen. That's where cyber insurance comes in. Cyber insurance covers financial losses resulting from cyber attacks. It helps with the cost of resorting data, paying legal fees, and covering fines. And it's not just for large corporations. If you handle sensitive information, cyber insurance is something you should seriously consider. Responding to a cyber attack. Okay, so what if you do get hacked? First, disconnect your device from internet immediately. Report the incident to authorities and notify any financial institutions involved. Change all your passwords as soon as possible. And finally, consult with cybersecurity experts to fix any vulnerabilities. It's all about minimizing the damage and preventing future attacks. Best practices for cybersecurity in business. For businesses, cybersecurity is a must. Start by educating your staff on the dangers of phishing and other attacks. Implement multi-factor authentication across all systems. Keep software updated and regularly conduct security audits. Don't forget to back up critical data and limit access to sensitive information. Following these best practices can significantly reduce your company's exposure to cyber threats.